55-year-old Dawn Meikle was arrested for domestic battery after she attacked her husband repeatedly. Her reason for the attack? He kept farting in bed. Meikle's husband says she attacked him after he passed gas and kicked him out of bed. He waited a little while and got back into bed, but he just couldn't stop farting, so she attacked him, elbowing and kicking him. After a scuffle, Dawn Meikle told police she ran to the bathroom to call 911. She discharged a canister of pepper spray in the bedroom, according to the Miami Herald. Meikle was charged with misdemeanor domestic battery and taken to the St. Lucie County Jail. She was later released.